What?
All right, what are we working on?
Working on 350 Banshee today. We gotta change the carburetors out, and we're gonna switch them and make them brand new. Put them in new.
Why are we fixing the carburetors?
Yeah.
Why are we fixing the carburetors,
Well,
guys?
we're fixing the carburetors today.
But why? What's wrong with them?
Oh, they no sé, güey, cómo se dice en esas partes. Se me hace que la vamos a arreglar.
You got water in them and got something wrong with them, right?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
they're overfloating.
They're what?
Oh, they're floating. They're floating.
Oh, they're flooding out.
They're flooding out.
All right, I got you guys now. So what's the process? First, you're gonna take the air filters off, right?
Yes, sir.
And pull the other air filter off of there. All right, then you get to the carburetor, guys, and you're gonna have the cables going into the top of them. Go ahead and unscrew those. We're rookies at this, guys, out there watching, so, you know, don't rate us on quality. We're not good at this. We're just trying. Yeah, you can laugh, Joey. It's okay. You know you don't know what you're doing, neither do I. All right, take them both loose. A rookie teaching a rookie. Okay. That's the right way to do it. Hey, it don't make no difference long this shit works and runs, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you pull those two out of there. And now you got the actual, the filters off, the air breathers are off. You got these out of it, right there, the top parts you see on top. We got those out of it. Now you can go in there and start removing the carburetor. We've already removed one of them, as you see there. What did you have to do to get them carburetors out? What screws did you have to take out?
On the back of the clamps, screw them.
It's just clamps on the back holding them in place?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Both were loose. Just
Then
pop
they just
them off.
pop right off.
Yes.
Wow, how much easier can it get than that?
Take those guys line off.
So I don't guess it takes a rocket scientist to figure this stuff out, huh?
Doesn't.
Wow, just a little common knowledge. You got little boots, it looks like. Let me see if I can get in there without losing focus. Carburetor slipping little bitty boots with the clamp on it. Just losing that clamp there and the carburetor will come out of it. So that's all there is to taking the carburetor off of one of these Banshee, what is it? Yamaha Banshee 350?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Oh, wow. All right, guys, we're going to start putting it back together next step. All right, well, Mr. Joey, our top-notch mechanic over here, you know, the wannabe guru guy, right? He got them installed. Now we're going to put the actual air filters and everything else on them. Guys, not that hard to install these. A little tough getting that metering rod stuff in them correctly, but hey, it's easy to do.